Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this, it's like an endless line, and they want these arrows going in the direction of the line. So if they take the blend, and he said 16, which is actually going to give him 18 because we've already got to. We hit apply, we go down here, put on new path, put on the path, and blend along full path. If we look, this arrow is going this way, but when you go back, it's going the opposite direction. This arrow should be turned around. So what you can do in this case is not only blend along full path, rotate all objects. And now your arrows are going the same direction. But let's look here. Remember we typed in 16. We're going to go to object break blend apart. We'll move this down and we'll have to ungroup these. Group, ungroup all, and then count them, select them all. See, we have 18 objects, so it added 2. Now, with that said, you could do it with object to path. Select your object, select your path. We're going to do the 16. It's going to give us 17. And then, what did I do wrong? Because it won't do it. Oh, there it is. And hit apply. Object to path goes the right direction. See, it's going there and then back and then back. That one line doesn't have an object or an arrow on it, but so it's going in the right direction. It does the exact same thing. It's just going to be one object off. If we take one thing I liked about object to path, you don't have to ungroup anything. There are 17 objects. We asked for 16, but we already had one, so it's 17. Blend, you already had 2, so you've got 18. So you need to think about that when you're blending. If you only want 16, on a blend, just put 14. On an object to path, if you want 16, only put 15. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.